We are at the garden property and I see a plant emergency, so let's go take care of it. Here is the plant that I can clearly see is stressed out because the leaves have completely changed from their nice green to this ugly brown. It's lost all its flowers. So if we go through the checklist of things, is it in the wrong spot entirely? So this was a plant that I picked up that is Kiwi Magic Hardy Kiwi combination. It has both a male and a female growing, if you can see the two different stems. Possibly this is in the wrong spot. So I thought it would work really well to grow against this arbor. But this is getting west sun, all hot afternoon sun. You can see it's in a really strong wind area of the property. So this is a winter hardy kiwi plant that I just bought this year in the spring. I haven't had it very long. It was very healthy. It had bright green leaves and happy vines, and it was flowering, and I did not do enough research before putting it in the ground. So I've seen now that it should not be in the full sun of the end of the day in the west. It does not like high winds, so I have to figure that out. And I actually might need to do some soil amendment because of its needs. I'm pretty sure I have everything here to get this project done. We're going to check out the garden shed, what I have in the van, and we're going to see if we can get this plant rescued and back in good health. this is where I decided to try to get an experiment done that I've always wanted to try, but I don't know if it's one of those lame internet hacks that don't actually tell you anything. So what I did was collect 2 samples, 1 cup of soil for each container. You make a slurry, mixing it with distilled water, and we're going to do an acidity or an alkalinity test using baking soda and vinegar. So the test for acidity is half a cup of baking soda. When you add it to your slurry, if it bubbles or fizzes, the soil is acidic. So you tell me what you can see. If you at all see bubbles or fizzing for any of these samples, let me know in the comments below. Now the next test for alkalinity is where you take vinegar to the slurry. I'm trying to figure out what to do to the soil so I don't burn the roots. So it's half a cup of white vinegar added to your soil slurry in your other container, not the one that has the baking soda in it. And if bubbles or fizzes appear, then the soil is alkaline. So again, you tell me what you see when I add it. Do you think it bubbles or fizzes more than normal of just adding something to soil? I don't have a clue. Like, this didn't work for me to give me an answer whatsoever. I know that if nothing happens, the soil is likely neutral, which is pH 7. Now, why am I even wanting to know this? Well, it sounds like the winter hardy kiwis like to have an acidic soil. So you tell me, do you grow hardy kiwis? This one says, oh, I'll have to put it on the screen. Arguta and acai are the male and female. I'll put the words on the screen. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to add an acidifier? Should I get some kind of test strip pH thing? Or can we just trust by adding some to it? As you saw, the camera fell over in this wind. So what I did was try to get all those vines in position so they were trying to hold on to this new trellis for the plant. I tried to make sure everybody had their own lane, and I'm not sure what I need to do next. If you have a suggestion for if I should feed this winter hardy kiwi something, what do I feed it? Do I just make sure it's watered every day? How do I take care of this thing? So because we have this new support system to play with, of course I had to grab some seeds. So we have 2 different types of seed that I have saved over the years that are pole beans, and I usually let them mature and grow and dry, and then we can eat them in our soups and stews and chilies and stuff. One is called Good Mother Stollard, one is called 1800-year-old cave bean. So we have planted those at the base of the trellis